Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You're starting with connectivity. Make sure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are on because AirDrop uses both radios. Once done, open Photos and tap Select. Choose every image you want to send. Then, make the recipient discoverable by opening Control Center and setting AirDrop to contacts only or everyone depending on who you're sending to. Choosing everyone helps when contacts aren't recognized. This primes both devices and moves you immediately into the transfer step. Tap the share icon after selecting photos. The AirDrop row appears near the top. It scans for nearby devices. Tap the recipient's name or avatar. They'll receive a prompt to accept or decline. Once they accept, watch the blue progress indicator on the sender's screen and the incoming animation on the recipient. Make sure both devices stay awake and nearby. Moving out of range or locking the screen can pause or abort the transfer. This completes the core exchange. After the transfer finishes, instruct the recipient to open photos to verify media saved to recents. Videos will process briefly before playback. If something goes wrong, first toggle AirDrop off and on, then confirm Bluetooth and Wi-Fi remain enabled and both devices are unlocked. If contacts aren't appearing, switch AirDrop to everyone briefly or sign into iCloud so contacts only can match. Reattempt the send after these checks. Most failures are range, sleep, or visibility.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.